In this Facebook ad video, I'll show you how to install the Facebook pixel on your WordPress website and link your WordPress website to your Facebook Business Manager. This is about the most important aspect of the Facebook ad because with your Facebook pixel linked to your website, properly installed and your event well set up, you can begin to run retarget ad which make your ad more profitable, cheaper, highly scalable. In short, your ad will perform much more better and your business will be the best for it. I'll be showing you the easiest way to go about this. So if you're ready, then let's get started. So the first thing to do is to open your business manager by typing business.facebook.com on your browser. Once you're here, come here and click Add Manager. So you want to locate the ad account that your pixel is connected to. So I want to come here and select Add Account. So you want to come to this hamburger or these three lines menu here. Click on it and here click Event Manager. I also want to believe that you already have your pixel created before now. If not, just click the Event Manager here and follow the simple pixel creation process. But here, I will be using one of the pixels that I already created in time past. But please, before we continue, let me quickly request a favor from you. This is a relatively new channel and I love you to support me by helping YouTube suggest my videos to more people who need important information that I share. All you have to do is to like this video and I will appreciate your kindness. You can also support this growing YouTube channel by buying my courses. Honestly, they are amazing courses and they are sold for the price of a cup of coffee. The last way you can support this channel is that you can also let ads run on these videos without skipping them. Doing so will help me get resources to keep publishing and improve the quality of my output. I love to serve you better. Thank you. So back to business. Come here and click the Setup your conversion API section here and click Get Started. So like I said, I already have 3 pixels created before now. So all I have to do here is to choose the one I love to use for my WordPress setup. So I will go with this one and click Get Started. Next. Setup. So Facebook will give you 3 options to choose for your pixel setup. Just go ahead and select the first and click Next. So here are the various partner integrations you can make, but we will definitely be using WordPress, of course, so I will select WordPress. Okay, not to worry about all of these. Facebook is just giving us a short one on how to get all of this installation done. So just keep clicking Next. Alright, at this point, all we have to do is to head to WordPress website admin dashboard, but make sure that you don't close this page because we will return to it in a few minutes. So here in WordPress, you want to come to the plugin section, add new, come to the plugin search bar and search for Facebook for Business, something like that. I will scroll down and here is the plugin I'm looking for. It's called Facebook Pixel for WordPress. So I will install and then activate. Once activated, I will scroll to the new plugin and click the settings option under it. Okay, click Get Started. Continue. Here, Facebook is again letting you know the importance of having this pixel installed and set up on your website. So I'll just come here and click Next. Here, I will check to be sure that my data are all correct. Make sure that this automatic advanced matching is switched on. Here at the business page, I will just go ahead and edit this business page tab and be sure that I select my preferred page. So I will pick this business page and click Next. Connect your Instagram page if you want and click Next. Select your ad account. Next. Next. And then wait for the WordPress linking to be completed. Okay, we are now good. Just come here and click the Done button. come here and check this box and confirm and manage. Congrats, your WordPress app is now successfully connected. So now I can come back to this previous page and then I will paste in the newly installed WordPress website URL into this address bar. For now, this indicator is red, but once I send test traffic and if the installation was well done, it is expected to turn green. So I will send test traffic. I'll wait for this loading to be complete. Good. As you can see, our pixel is now working and the red indicator has now turned green. So finally, we will quickly set up event on our website. So click next. So once again, I'll paste the same website URL here, open website. So I'll be redirected to my WordPress homepage, and as you can see here, there is a pop-up box, which is the Facebook pixel event pop-up. So I can either set up event for buttons on my website or set event for pages or pages URL. So if I click on the button, for instance, all the buttons on the particular page that I am on will be highlighted. So for instance, if I want to set up event for this button, I will click it and then I'll come here and select events that I want this button to capture. Let me use complete registration as an example. Confirm. As you can see, this button is now set up and anyone that click on this button, this event will be captured. I can go ahead and set up event for other buttons on this page, but if it's a URL that I want to set up event for, then the entire page will be captured for my event. So I'll just go ahead and set up event for my page and I'll make sure that I'm on the page. So what you want to do here is to click on done. So once you're done, come here and click finish setup. Finish. Was this event set up successfully? Yes. Submit and done. So this is how to install the Facebook pixel on WordPress and set up your pixel event. If you found this video helpful, please help me with a like so that YouTube can suggest this video to more persons looking for this kind of information. If you want more Facebook ad tips, digital marketing tips, and amazing make money online videos like this one, then subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so you get to know when I release my next videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.